Documenting lessons learned for future bids. Capturing the knowledge. Welcome to Lecture 15.4. Documenting lessons learned is a crucial step in the win/loss analysis process. It is the mechanism for capturing knowledge gained from each bid experience and making it readily accessible for future use. This process ensures that the organization learns from its experiences, avoids repeating mistakes, and continuously improves its bidding performance. Strategic importance and purpose. Documenting lessons learned offers several key benefits. Knowledge capture and retention. It ensures that valuable knowledge gained from each bid experience is captured and retained within the organization. Process improvement and refinement. Lessons learned provide actionable insights that can be used to refine and improve the organization's bid processes, templates, and methodologies. Error prevention and best practice promotion. Documenting lessons learned helps to prevent the repetition of past mistakes and promotes the adoption of best practices. Knowledge sharing and collaboration. It facilitates knowledge sharing and collaboration within the organization, providing a valuable resource for bid teams to learn from the experiences of others. Training and development. Lessons learned can be used to inform training and development initiatives for bid team members, ensuring they have the necessary skills and expertise to succeed. Techniques for documenting lessons learned. To effectively document lessons learned, you should use structured templates. Use structured templates to document lessons learned consistently. Use clear and concise language. Document lessons learned using clear, concise, and actionable language. Provide specific examples and details. Provide specific examples and details to illustrate the lessons learned. Document both positive and negative lessons. It is important to capture what worked well as what didn't work. Categorize and tag lessons learned. Categorize and tag lessons learned by topic, such as proposal writing, bid strategy, or process efficiency, to make it easier to search and retrieve relevant information. Creating a lessons learned repository. A lessons learned repository is a crucial resource for any bid management function. To create one, establish a centralized system. Establish a centralized system for storing and accessing documented lessons learned, such as a knowledge management system or a dedicated section on the company intranet. Ensure it is searchable and accessible. Ensure that the repository is searchable and easily accessible to all relevant stakeholders. Regularly update and maintain. Regularly update and maintain the repository, removing outdated information and adding new lessons learned as they are documented. Integrate with bid management tools. Integrate the repository with other bid management tools, such as proposal templates or checklists, to ensure that the information is readily available and can be applied effectively. Key takeaways: the enduring legacy of bid excellence. The meticulous documentation of lessons learned is the very cornerstone of continuous improvement in bid management. By systematically recording these insights and making them readily accessible, organizations safeguard invaluable expertise, prevent the costly repetition of past errors, and actively promote the adoption of proven best practices. Ultimately, this process ensures that each bid, regardless of its outcome, contributes to a growing legacy of knowledge, driving sustained excellence in the pursuit of future opportunities.